What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I just want to say big thank you to every single one of you guys. We hit 30,000 subscribers. Woohoo! This is so awesome. Thank you, guys. Now let's get back to work. We're gonna start painting TJ's Hunt's Ferrari, the whole front end, blend the doors. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Alright, hood is installed, gaps are perfect. Same on the door. Let's check this side. This side the same. So yeah, we'll start prepping the car and spraying it. Jose, what happened? How'd you break your leg?
Just playing at the backyard.
Too much fun?
Too much fun with some rocks.
He was doing some construction at his house and he fell off the ladder and broke his leg, so he has to work with a broken leg for 30 more days. They put he didn't break it, he just fractured, so they had to put a cast for the support, but hey, it doesn't stop him from working. He's a beast.
Mexican power!
Mexican power! Alright, the car is taped, prepped and ready to go. Time to spray her. And 1, 2, 3. And there you go. Car is painted, ready to go. We could start putting it together tomorrow. Wow, it came out so clean. Nice and glossy, very clean. No dirt spot. We got the boys and the hood already getting down.
It's already in here. I'm a monster, babe.
Yeah, so we're gonna put the doors together, the mirrors, all the good stuff. Bumpers will be painted tomorrow and should be good to go. And that's the back end. Alright, we got the bumpers in the spray booth. Front, rear bumper, and the side skirts. So we'll spray it right now and should be ready in about 1, 2, 3. Alright, the bumpers got painted. Time to install them. Alright, we're putting the Ferrari back together. TJ's here with Calvin. doing the rocker molding.
Yeah.
Getting down, should be ready today, by the end of the day. Alright, front bumper got painted. This used to be black, but I've painted, so we're gonna use trim black paint to make it look nice again. Alvin kicking ass,
Rear bumper almost done, baby.
putting the bumper together. Somebody's excited.
Easy, man.
Easy
You're doing
money.
the you're doing the hard stuff. over
Easy money for you, huh?
You're painting over there. I'm just like, put it above back together.
Plug and play. So yeah, we trim black the panel, so it looks a lot cleaner now. And same with the fence. Alright, we got the front bumper installed. Gaps are perfect.
Almost there, Vlad.
Car came out just insane. Super happy. TJ putting the last fender liner and should be good to go. We'll hit the road. Alright, the car is all painted and ready to go. Came out nice and clean. Gaps are perfect. What do you say? You happy?
Dude, it looks so good. And what's even better is that we came here just to like repaint the car, but we also like fixed up every small meticulous issue that was left on the car. That's like that's what's the icing on the cake. Is like we came here with
Just to paint the front
just
end.
paint it, and now we made it like 10 out of 10. Every nut and bolt that was missing, every like panel we needed help with, every gap we needed help with, every little like scratch is like completely gone.
Yeah.
And now it's like it's back. It's like complete, 100%.
Well, I'm glad that you're happy and we're able to help you out with this build. And you never know, something might come next.
Something might happen, and who knows? Maybe we'll be back here really soon.
Who knows?
In a bit, and we'll come back and we'll do some more fun
Yeah,
stuff, some more mystery stuff, and hopefully you guys pick up that one car you guys were looking at.
Yeah,
It's a secret.
Secret car, but we got something coming.
But we do. We
Stay
do.
tuned. Stay tuned.
I'm hyped. All right, boys. We out
All
of here.
right.
Vlad,
Yeah.
nice to fucking finally do something together.
Exactly.
See you in a bit, brother.
All right. I'll see you later, my friend.
Till next time, brother.
All right, guys, that's a wrap for this build. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.